Imran Hashmi was recently present at the screening of a short film titled Karta Tu Dharta Tu, which is a tribute to the Mumbai police. While interacting with the media, the Badshah actor was all praises for the film, and he has some golden words for the Mumbai police.
I saw this film yesterday, and saying the story in a 10-minute capsule, bringing around the right emotions, pushing the right buttons at the same time, not forcing the audience to feel those emotions, is very subtly done, and it speaks volumes of the talent that you have to bring that about in 10 minutes. And of course, credit goes firstly to the Mumbai police. I mean, as a Mumbaiker, we're very, very proud, and there should be more work done like he has done. It's a city that we all feel very, very secure in, and that is because of the responsibility and the discipline of the Mumbai police. Over the years, I mean, when I was in school, in college, I remember there was an incident, and these words ring very true to my ears to this date. A cousin of mine had got lost on Juhu Beach when I was in school, and I remember my grandmother went to the constable on Juhu Beach, and I remember her words very clearly. She said, "Nothing will happen to your sister because the Mumbai will take care of it." And our cousin was found in 15 minutes. And that was my first experience when I was 7 years old about Mumbai police. And that stands true till today. A couple of days back during the floods, my dad actually was in Malad. He got stuck there. He came back after 8 drilling hours, but he was telling me about the Mumbai police and the sacrifices that they had made on the roads in protecting everyone and just giving a sense of order to the city. So as much as we do for the Mumbai police, I think it's not enough. I think there should be more movements like this, more creative work done in this department.
Apart from this, he also spoke about how short films have become informative in today's times.
I've become kind of a fan of the short film format. I think it's fantastic. I think itne thode waqt mein, duration mein, you are trying to entertain, and something like this throw light on a subject, informative sometimes to educate the audience. It's a challenge, and I saw it last night, and I felt that it really is. Of course, as much as I praise his work, I think it's not enough. But as far as the short films go, it's a great form of entertainment. I think it's the future because web is the future. These small capsules can captivate a person's time and imagination when they're traveling in buses and trains, maybe in small short breaks. And we don't have 2.5 hours to give out to a feature film. This is definitely the future because, in a fast-paced world, you want to consume this. And, the number of views that your videos got, that speaks volumes.
While Amruta Fadnavis, wife of CM Devendra Fadnavis Mumbai, was the special guest and spoke about the contribution of the Mumbai police.
I was extremely touched watching this movie. They say all men are born equal, but there is an exception, and they are the policemen and their families. When they move out of their house, they are not aware what time they would be coming back or if they would be coming back. That is the kind of sacrifice they have put forward for the country, for us to live happily. So I really thank you, Divya. I thank all the police fraternity for the kind of work they have been doing. They do not know whether they would be reaching home for the Ganesh Aarti or for Diwali Patakas, or whether they would be in a bandobast or fighting terrorists or just doing their patrolling. So it's a very tough duty, and I'm so happy that this 25-year-old boy has the sensibilities to show this to the world.
Anup Soni too was all praises for the Mumbai police.
I do a show which talks about police work only. और बहुत सारे लोग मुझसे ऐसा पूछते हैं कि आप अपने शो में ऐसा दिखाते हैं कि जैसे पुलिस तो मतलब इनसे अच्छे तो इंसान इस दुनिया में है ही नहीं, लेकिन आपको पता है असलियत क्या है. सो माय ओनली आंसर इज कि जो हम आपको 40 मिनट के एपिसोड में पुलिस का काम दिखाते हैं वो झूठ नहीं है. सो वॉट एवर वी आर शोइंग यू इज इट्स डन बाय पुलिस. बाकी एक प्रोसेस होता है किसी भी काम का. हो सकता है कुछ लोगों को पर्सनली कई बार कुछ ऐसी दिक्कतें आई हों, क्योंकि हम सभी जानते हैं कि बहुत स्ट्रेसफुल काम होता है. आप किसी भी जॉब में जाते हैं, you have limited number of hours. You have to go at 10 o'clock, you come back at 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. But I think police is one profession, policing, where there is no time. There are times when police people have their family function and they have taken holidays much in advance, maybe like 5 months in advance, if there's a marriage in the family and it can be cancelled at the last minute and you can't do anything about it. And they're there for their duty. So I think it's brilliant of Divyansh to think about this idea and make a film about it. As you said, very sensitive of him, thinking about this idea and making a movie. All the best to him and salute to the Mumbai police.
Well, if more encouraging short films like these are made, it will certainly boost the morale of the force, which keeps vigilance while people sleep and move around safely.